G'day, my name's Josh Atkins, and I'm currently studying a Bachelor's of Exercise and Sports Science at the Queensland University of Technology. In 2009, I enlisted into the Australian Army. Following discharge in 2015, I moved into the fitness realm, where I achieved my Cert 4 in fitness, Level 1 Strength and Conditioning through ASCA, and also my Level 1 Tactical Strength and Conditioning. Since 2015, I've held many positions, be it at a standalone gym as a PT, to then a studio manager within a franchise, all while running my own business. I also hold the current title of Head of Strength and Conditioning for the Queensland Catholic Netball Association, QCNA. Upon completion of my degree, I hope to take the knowledge that I have learnt throughout and apply that directly into my business. If I'm fortunate enough to continue working with the QCNA, which I'm sure I will also be applying it there. Any other opportunities that may come about, do my best to forge strong connections whilst on my practicals within the industry.